So last week we conducted a poll on my channel and a lot of you wanted one more video on Google Ads, and honestly I wanted to do this video because the main concern that I have always had with Google Ads, and I'm sure a lot of you who have used Google Ads, is that the view retention goes really down. Because of that, the organic reach of your video is hampered. So recently, I think if you have noticed, if you go to YouTube Studio and you have used Google Ads on your channel, you will see that there are two time graphs for view retention. One is through paid advertising and the other is organic views. There are two different analyses, maybe because YouTube did realize that the view retention goes down and now your video is judged on these two parameters. So if you have a good organic view retention, your video is still promoted by YouTube, but this has not been addressed by YouTube as of now. Nothing concrete has been said that this is why there are two average view retention. So I think you should not be taking any chances over here. But yes, I have figured out some ways you can use Google Ads. There has to be a way. I have been thinking since the longest time that there are a lot of success stories with Google Ads and what can be done, how can we use them. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. First and foremost is that you create a channel trailer or a very small video, maybe up to 2 minutes of duration, which is shot solely for the purpose of creating a Google ad, so that you are not concerned even if the view retention of this video goes down. Basic idea of shooting an ad specifically for this purpose is that you can run both in-stream ad and video discovery ad. Now, I'm not in favor of running in-stream ads because that is not how I want to meet my potential subscriber, by disrupting whatever it is that they are doing and telling them, listen to me. That is not how I want to go about it. But yes, you can use in-stream ads if you feel comfortable with them. And you can also run a video discovery ad with your channel trailer. So if you run a video discovery campaign on this small channel trailer that you have created, make sure that you use a title that is searchable. Do not use titles like, oh, this is my channel trailer, because obviously nobody is going to search for it. So that is how you can create a Google Ads campaign, run a successful campaign. That particular video has been created for the sole purpose of running a campaign to attract subscribers and viewers to your channel. You do not worry about the view retention because this video is not meant to gain organic traffic. And also in this channel trailer, make sure that you have a specific call to action. What is it that you expect from the viewer? So if you have a short clip of a longer video, you can tell your viewers that this is the kind of content you can expect from my channel. You could encourage your viewers to go to your channel and check out the other videos, but there has to be a specific call to action, that what is it that you want. So that ways people know that they will go to your channel and find similar content. Now we move on to the second technique. You can achieve a good view retention in a Google Ads campaign if you target the right audience. A lot of times we do not target the right audience because sometimes when you are too specific with the targeting, it takes time for your ads to gain impressions. The best way to run a successful Google Ads campaign is to target the right audience, the people who are looking for that kind of content, people who are searching for that kind of content. We have seen in the Google Ads tutorial that there are specific categories custom made and you can search for more categories. You can target your audience. The third step is set a low budget. So if you have a very high budget, like say 500 rupees or even 100 rupees, 150 rupees a day, what happens is that as soon as you start getting impressions, there is a huge spike and a lot of views come all at once, and that is when the view retention goes down. You must have noticed that if your video is picked up by the algorithm and YouTube promotes it on browse features or suggested videos or the homepage of other people, it happens once in a while that there is a sudden spike in your impressions when YouTube promotes your video. In that situation also, the view retention goes down because it is reaching a lot of people at the same time, and not everybody watches the complete video. You yourself as a viewer do not watch the entire length of the video. So that is what I've noticed, that when you set a high budget, you get a lot of impressions at once, a lot of views at once, and that is what hampers the view retention. Now this is a little tricky situation because what happens is that if you set a low budget initially while creating a campaign, you do not get impressions. So this is something that you will have to monitor. set a high budget like 100 a day, 150 a day, and keep monitoring. As soon as you start getting impressions, as soon as your impressions cross 200, 300, just reduce the budget to maybe 50 or whatever is it that you want. So that ways you get steady views over a longer period of time instead of getting a sudden spike and then all going flat. The fourth way in which you can run a successful Google Ads campaign is that you just keep 2 or 3 videos to run on the campaign. You do not promote every video through Google Ads. So there are some 2 or 3 videos that are the stars of your channel. This video has the potential of giving a good impression about your channel. That this video will gain you views, will gain you subscribers. Use those videos which speaks about your channel and it will drive traffic to your channel. In that ways, you are not hampering every video on your channel, but just a couple of them. And like I mentioned in my previous video also, if the content of the video is good and it is viewed regularly, chances are that it might still get organic reach once the campaign is over. The fifth way you can run a successful Google Ads campaign is to promote a video through Google Ads that is already doing well. Now, I know this might sound as counterproductive, but hear me out. There is a logic behind it. So you know that this video is performing good. It drives you good amount of traffic. It gets you around 500,000 or even 200, 300 views a day, whatever it is. But you know that this is the video or videos that is bringing you views consistently. It gets you views on a daily basis. This video works. That people love this video. So that is the right video to target because it will convey your message, it will bring you the right people, and it is a sure shot video to get you subscribers, to increase the reach of your channel. So that this video works. That is one of the reasons. The other reason is that say this video gains around 200, 300 views and you set a budget where you want your video to gain maybe the same amount of views in a day. So the view retention that falls down from the campaign will be counterbalanced by the same amount of organic views you are getting. I hope I'm making sense what I'm trying to say over here. So you have seen and heard all the points, but you do not want to sacrifice 2 or 3 videos of your channel as well so as to not hamper the organic reach. You do not want to use an already performing video because it might jinx it, and what if it stops getting organic views? I am superstitious like that. I would not do it. Here's what you can do. There is one video that is working for your channel, or that this video is a good video and it will gain views for your channel. What you have to do is re-upload that video. Only this time you have to set the visibility as unlisted. Okay, so what is an unlisted video? An unlisted video is a video that can be viewed by anybody who has a link to that video. And then run a Google Ads campaign on that unlisted video. So what happens is that whatever view retention is going down, whatever is happening, it is happening on that unlisted video. But that video is doing its job of driving you traffic. So this video is doing its job of getting you views, taking a video out there, getting you impressions, increasing your reach. Yes, the view retention is going down, but it is not hampering the video that is already there that is meant to be organic. So the 6 ways are: first, you can create a campaign. You have to target the right audience. You have to set a low budget. You have to use 2 or 3 videos that are the stars of your channel. You can target an already performing video, or last and definitely not the least, run the Google Ads campaign on an unlisted video. So that is about it in this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you need more information on Google Ads, you can check out any of these videos.